Okay, so this technique, I call it flip and reveal. I find it a really useful technique. As you'll see through the next chapter, how many times I call upon it. And all we're going to do just for the moment is, if your printer prints your image out and leaves these annoying white borders around the outside, I would like you to cut them off. All I want you to be left with is just your image, none of these white empty areas. Now, flip and reveal. Once you've lined the photo reference up accurately with your line drawing, when you start to colour this in, as you'll see in the next chapter, you'll flip it backwards and forwards, and there might be little bits of information that you're finding hard to see. Sometimes it's quite confusing because your brain's telling you to do something and you're looking at the reference, and people just get a little bit confused and start colouring in and making stuff up. When you flip up and down with this image on top of what you're drawing, your eyes and your brain will remember up to about 3 to 5 seconds. Now I'm just showing here that I've taped the image. I'm happy it's in line with my line drawing underneath. And now I'm going to use the masking tape to make myself a border. Now the reason I do this, you don't have to do it. I do it because at the end of my pencil drawings, I just find that where I'm sweeping away the debris with a brush or just drawing, it tends to dirty the empty areas of paper. So if I put a little border like this around it, once I finish my drawing, I can remove the tape and I've got a nice clean edge around the outside. So I can't stress enough how important that when you put your reference image over the top of your line drawing, it has to line up. You can see I'm flipping it backwards and forwards. I'm looking directly down on top of the reference image, and as I flip it up, yeah, I'm happy, I've put my thumbs up. As I'm looking down on top of the image, I'm making sure that the line drawing is in line with my reference. And as you flip it backwards and forwards and you practice this, you'll get better at it and you'll see exactly what I mean. Now all I'm doing here is I'm just removing any excess tape. We don't want that to keep sticking to the table or the surface that I'm going to be drawing on. You can use scissors. As you can see here, they can get a little bit stuck. Just get your blade if this happens, and all you're going to do is literally just just cut along that edge. Be careful not to cut into your photo reference or your drawing paper for obvious reasons. Take your time, don't cut yourself. Check again. There's the blade that I use. Again, that's in the materials list. And that's it. That's the preparation for the flip and reveal technique. Okay, so I just wanted to show you this technique in action. I've taken a small clip from my How to Draw an Eye course. As you can see, I am flipping the reference image back and forth to help me see the small details. This also helps me put everything in the correct place. By doing this technique, my eyes and brain remember the details correctly, and this stops me from making up information that isn't in my reference image. This also stops that stylized look that some artists achieve when attempting photorealism. If you would like to learn more helpful pro tips like this one, sign up to my Udemy course today. Link is below in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future art hacks to help you with your artwork. Thanks for watching.